everybody! Merry Christmas! It's time to cook Southern with SiREN. And tonight we're baking homemade apple pie. This should be fun. Place foil-lined baking sheet on lowest rack. Preheat to 400 degrees. Slice 3 pounds of mixed apples, Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, and red apples. Peel and slice 1/4 inch thick. If you want the full recipe, check in the description. Mix the apples with the following: 4 tablespoons of salted melted butter, a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Now spoon the apple filling into chilled pie crust. Then mix 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Take 1 stick of salted butter and cut into 1/2 inch pieces at room temperature. Then rub the butter into a mixture until no longer floury and crumbs form, then put into the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Finally, pat the crumb mixture on top. Bake the pie on hot baking sheet until lightly brown for about 30 minutes. Then reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees and bake until the apples are soft and you can pierce with a knife. 60 to 80 minutes more cooking time. If the topping gets too dark, cover loosely with foil. When done, transfer the pie to cool completely. Oh my God. You can really taste the different types of apples mixed in with the crumble top. Oh, it was worth all the hard work. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.